Yeah, I'm doing great. What about yourself?
So I am also doing great.
Okay, so may I know about yourself something? Then I will introduce myself in front of you.
Okay, so first of all, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. My name is Vinod Hasda, and I am a graphic designer, and I live in West Bengal. So it is my small introduction.
Wow, fantastic your introduction. So it's my turn to introduce you in front of you. So my name is Syam Kumar. I'm from Jharkhand State. My district Godda. There are 4 members in my family. I love traveling and connecting with new people. My qualification is 12 standard. Yeah, this is a short intro about myself.
Yeah, that's great. So you are not a person. Why?
First,
Because you are bullet.
oh, no, I'm not to consider myself. I'm a bullet. So I have many video. I have watched your many videos. That's why I thought that I should connect with you. So today I got chance. So today I'm lucky to I am connecting with you.
Yeah, so thanks. And you speak very fast.
Yeah, really, I speak very fast. I do not think so. I speak so fast.
Yeah, man. So I also watch your video. You speak, like bullet. So that's why
No.
I call you bullet.
No. Okay, you also use very well. So I before time I was using Jadoo Kiskus video. So I thought that I should learn.
Yeah.
You can see my inspiration is like Jadoo Kisku. I watched 3 months before. So every day I'm connecting with 10 people. So in this day, every day I give in Skype app 8 to 10 hours.
8 to 10 hours per day.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, it is very long time.
Yeah. I think that I have been learning this English before 3 months. Yeah, I have started connecting with the people. So in this time I have connected almost 150 people I have connected now in 3 months.
Oh my goodness.
I'm taking a target to I have to connect every day 10 people. So my target is going on every day. I'm trying to connect 8 to 10 people.
Every day 10 people.
Yeah.
My goodness.
Okay, tell me how many people do you connect in a day? So 4, 3.
So I try to speak at least 1 hour per day, and within 1 hour I can connect 1, 2, 3.
Wow, fantastic. But I give in 8 to 10 hours every day because I want to improve my communication skill. Before 3 months before my English was not so good. Only 2 minutes, 3 minutes I can talk. No, I can speak 1, 2 hours, no problem.
Yeah, so I can understand, and you are speaking very well. You are good speaker now.
I am giving myself best. So in the day, I am very engaged with learning English. Every day, I am trying to connect more people. I have pressure. I have just started teaching some students. That's why I am practicing English.
Oh, you are teaching?
Yeah. I am teaching some students in my village. I live in village. In this time, I have come in this time. You can see that this pond in my village near one pond, big pond. Name is Ganga Sagar.
Ganga Sagar, yeah, that's great. But I think, man, your background is not visible clearly. You have turned on the, blur mode.
Okay, I'm going to turn off the blur mode, so then you can see that background.
Yeah, now I can see the clearly.
Yeah, this is the scene of night time. This time getting in this time dark, so you can find a good picture. Okay, I am coming in front camera, so you can see this time.
Yeah.
So the brother, tell me about your work. Means you are learning something. Means designer. What kind of thing you are learning?
So, means I use Photoshop in computer. So I make like thumbnail and Facebook post, Instagram post. You can say social media post design.
Yeah. So I want to know how long have you been using this app? When you started connecting with the people, I want to know this.
It has been about 1 month, 1 or 1.5.
Okay, so now how are you feeling in English speaking? You have achieved your goal, means I mean that you have improved your English communication skill.
Yeah, so I have improved a lot, and I will have to improve a lot as well. So I want to be perfect in English. So I want to be a good speaker in English in future.
Wow, so I think if you are every day you are giving time 1 2 hours, definitely you will learn, you will achieve your goal.
Yeah.
So meet me this my friend. He also speak English. Say you hi.
Hello, brother. Hi.
Yeah, I don't know so much
English, but little I know. Okay, okay. No, it's okay. So I would like to know about you.
Yeah, he knows English very well, but he is saying that I'm not. But first time he talking with in English any person, that's why he's feeling
Okay,
some
I
feeling.
can. Yeah, I can understand. So, please say something about yourself.
My name is Dinesh. I am his friend.
Yeah.
And, yeah, I don't know. I can't talk so much because I don't know so much language.
No, brother, he's very fast in this time. Not speaking very fast. He's telling lie because before I used to speak with him. With the 3 month, 4 month, I practice with him. He speak very well, better than me. He speak English.
I don't have more word power.
So tell me, brother, you are in this area standing means what kind of area means you are very far from here at home. So what kind of that is forest area? Where are you standing now?
So now I am standing in the field. You can see it is field. And
Yeah.
means there is no one except me.
Okay. So today, how many people did you connect today?
So I think it is my second call.
Okay, second call. So do you want to ask any question?
Yes, I would like to. Yeah, I would like to know about you. Means you are saying that you practice, long time in a day, more than 8 hours. So
Yeah.
apart from speaking English, learning English, what do you do?
No, only watch conversation video and do self practice, means speaking practice. In this day, I'm not very active in like